Bonjour everybody, Katerina here. Welcome to my kitchen. And today I'm having my beautiful parents here for lunch. I love having them here for lunch and I thank God every time I'm able to say those words. And one dish that I will be preparing for them is coq au vin, chicken in wine. Really simple, delicious, and yes, my parents will call it fancy food. Now let's get started. This recipe calls for the dark meat of the chicken. Earlier today, I removed the skin from 5 chicken legs and 6 chicken thighs. You're going to want to make sure that your chicken is nice and dry. We're going to start off by seasoning our chicken with salt and pepper. I'm going to turn the chicken pieces around and I'm going to season the other side. I placed 2 cups of all-purpose flour in my dish. Now I'm just going to season it with salt and pepper. Judge the chicken pieces in the flour mixture. Just going to shake the excess off. Chicken pieces are ready for searing. I'm going to use avocado oil because it has a very high smoking point, and you're going to want to use your cast iron pan for this. You want the avocado oil at the temperature of 365 for searing. 365, we're ready to start searing. My chicken in the frying pan, and I'm just going to leave it alone. I'm not going to play with it or mess with it until the bottom part is golden brown. Check. Perfect. Now I'm going to turn them to cook on the other side. My chicken has seared beautifully. It's ready. We're going to set it aside for now and we're going to start on the sauce. In my Dutch oven, I'm going to place a couple of tablespoons of avocado oil, 1 chopped sweet onion. Saute for a few minutes. I'm just going to add some salt right now. This will help the onions sweat, which will prevent them from burning. Add 3 cups of cleaned, quartered button mushrooms. A bit of salt. This will help the mushrooms sweat. We want to remove all the water from the mushrooms. The water has pretty much evaporated. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of garlic puree. If you don't have garlic puree, you can just add 3 chopped garlic cloves. I will be doing a segment on how to make your own garlic puree. Very easy. The garlic, once you smell the essence of the garlic, you know it's cooked. 2 cups of Cabernet Sauvignon. A teaspoon of thyme. I'm going to let this come to a boil until all the alcohol evaporates. Now that the wine has reduced to half, I'm going to add the chicken. Cover the chicken with 1.5 cups of chicken stock. Add a couple of bay leaves. Set my stove to simmer and I'm going to cover my coq au vin and I'm going to let it cook for 45 minutes. I have some cooked roux here that I prepared. I will be doing a segment on how to make this. It's absolutely wonderful. I'm going to add approximately 2 tablespoons of my roux. Now, if you don't have a cooked roux, you can place 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in 3/4 cup of water and give it a good mix and add a couple tablespoons at a time until you reach the thickness that you like. My parents are here. My coq au vin is ready and I'm ready to plate. Now with this dish, I really love mashed potatoes, but you can put whatever you like. So what I'm going to start doing is filling here. We're going to be a little bit fancy today. Look how gorgeous that is. I love doing this stuff for my parents because they appreciate it so much. To start off by placing the sauce around. You know, if anybody deserves this kind of treatment, it's my beautiful parents. Now to finish off this gourmet dish, a sprinkle of parsley. Beautiful mother, gorgeous papa. That's not George Clooney, that's my sweet papa. Yesterday I prepared coq au vin for my friends, and I kept some for you and papa because you were coming today for lunch, and I want to know what you think. Taste it, Ma.
I think
Taste
excellent.
it. You think it's excellent?
Yeah.
Okay, try it, Ma. Try it. What do you think, Pa?
It's beautiful.
What do you
Nice.
think? Beautiful?
Yeah.
Very nice, delicious. I served it with mashed potatoes and, yeah, and mushrooms.
Excellent.
Excellent. So, Pa, you think my friends should make this?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Beautiful?
The first time I taste like this.
It's the first time you taste
Yeah.
It's so delicious?
Yes,
Ma, is it delicious, Ma?
beautiful.
Thank you so much for joining me today, and it's Katerina from My Home to Yours. Don't forget to hit your like button, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel. Ciao!